ano po ang mga dapat natin alalahanin during the examination day? So, number 1, no face mask and face shield, no entry. So, dati pa po yun. So, malay natin, ganun pa rin. So, magdala pa rin po tayo para pasigurado. Number 2, no ID card, document, no exam. So, magdala ng ID. So, be at the testing venue not later than 6:30 a.m. Dapat maaga po tayo sa examination area. Observe physical distancing. So, itong reference natin is during pandemic, pero ngayon ay ganun pa rin. So, yun pa rin ang susundin natin. Number 4, wear proper attire on examination day. So, preferably po is white t-shirt, ang pantaas. Ang mga short sleeve t-shirt, blouse, short pants, tokong pants, and ripped jeans, at pati na rin po ang chinelas are not allowed. Examinees are not allowed to bring the following. Bawal magdala ng cellphone, gadget, smartphones, smartwatches, pens, and glasses with built-in cameras, books, and other forms of printed materials, and other similar items. So, at ang pagdadala po ng test booklet sa labas ng examination room is strictly prohibited. Bawal na bawal po yun. Okay po? So, ano bang mga dapat natin dalhin? So, things to bring. Unang-una, huwag kakalimutan dalhin yung ating ID card. So, preferably yung ID na present natin ng pag-apply natin ng FOE. Okay po? And number 2, magdala po ng black na ballpen kasi yun ang advice ng komisyon. And dalhin din po yung health declaration form, or kung meron kayong yung vaccination card. And magdala na rin po ng personal alcohol and sanitizer. So, yun lamang po. And good luck.